We call this tree the leaning tree of John Darien. You can see how she's leaning out of the ground, and some years ago they put a post underneath it to hold it up, and obviously it's given it more life and hasn't fallen down as it spreads its tree trunks to the sky. Yeah, so that's the leaning tree of John Darien. Some years ago, and the writing's gone on the notice, but some years ago someone decided it needed a bit of support, so put this post in here to strengthen it. And you can see from under here how the tree has grown around the top of the post. It's embraced it, and he's actually transferring a lot of its weight up there, additional weight in the new growth, down to the ground here, centred through this beautiful solid post. But it reminds me of one of the scriptures in 1 Peter 5:7, which said, "Cast all of your cares upon me," the Lord says, "for I care for you." And this tree has cast all of its weight upon this solid, really solid, heavy-duty post. It's a wonderful hardwood post. And that's what the Lord says to us. We can cast all of our cares upon Him, for He cares for us. So if you're troubled, if you're carrying a heavy load and you want a hand, why not cast all your cares upon God? Just call upon Him and say, "Lord, help me. I'm carrying a heavy load. Can you please help me carry my load?" And you find He will. There'll be a weight taken off your shoulder, just as there was with this tree. Huge weight taken off at the branch, and then it was able to grow more and do more things for the glory of God up there. So cast all of your cares upon Him who cares for you. Have a great day.